feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. We're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong.
Magpapagasolina. Tinatamad akong bumaba. Ang init pa naman dito. Ito kami ngayon sa Shell Station.
And there's no wind outside.
Mommy, open the window here.
I think I smell it.
What you smell? The gasoline. You know what? Mommy really liked the gasoline smell before. But now I don't like it already. Just cover your nose.
Why?
Okay.
Turn around. Hey everyone! Good afternoon. Good afternoon sa lahat. So, I'm here again in the car magba-vlog kasi kanina kakagaling lang namin sa doon malapit sa school ni Christal kasi bumili kami ng uniform ni Christal kasi tawag nito, klase na, babalik na sa school, back to school na si Christal. So ayun, after namin nakabili ng ng gamit ni Christal, uniform lang naman yung binili namin. So ngayon I am on the way para magpa car wash. Malapit lang din, so isasama ko na lang kayo para again meron ulit akong may vlog. So ayan, si Christal hinatid ko na lang muna sa bahay. Andun yung papa niya nagbabantay, nanonood ng TV si little girl kasi dito kailangan maghintay pag nagka-car wash, so baka maboring lang. Guys, yung may-ari parang may ino-offer siya sa akin. Maganda sana kaso hindi ako nagdala ng ng cash and wala rin sa budget. So pag wala sa budget, kasi ako kuripot. So pag wala sa budget, hindi ko talaga siya bibilhin. May in-offer lang siyang something pang cover sa sasakyan. But anyway, since naghihintay ako sa akin sasakyan, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo dito yung view. Actually, dito kami nakatira banda dati. So, ayan. So, yung building na yan. Yung building na yan is... Diyan kami nakatira dati. Si Christal, diyan ko siya ipinanganak. So, after 1 year... 1 year plus lumipat kami doon sa landed house. So ngayon hindi na siya ganun ka ganda kasi ilang years na rin tong building na to, I mean yung condo na yan. So dati kasi nung lumipat kami dito is bago pa lang siya, and then nagstay lang kami ng mga, hindi ko na maalala ilang years ba, 2012 up to 2016 kasi nanganak ako kay Christal, that was 2015, and then 2016 lumipat kami doon sa landed house. So ayan, lang yan, 3 rooms Malaki din. Tas, doon lang kami sa kabilang banda. Sa ano, dito kasi yung likuran. So, doon kami sa kabila. Nakaharap. Tapos na yata sila. So, tapos na akong magpa-carwash and then bumalik lang ako dito sa bahay kasi nag-message si hubby kung no, must wear properly. Nag-message kasi si hubby na bili na lang daw ako ng food but hindi ako nagdala ng tiffin, ng lagayan ng food. So, since malapit lang naman yung yung place na nagpa-carwash ako, kaya umuwi na lang muna and then yun, lalabas ulit kasi may kukunin din akong may kukunin akong parang token of appreciation from my company and dadaanan ko na lang siya. So let's go Christal. Why you're making noise? What happened? What you want to do?
I want to see what's in the front.
Oh, okay, so you sit behind. Okay, you sit behind. You want to sit behind? No? Then how? What we gonna do? How? Come on, let's go already. What you want to do? It's already 5:33 ng hapon. So we have to rush going out to buy food, nak. Come on. What you want? Kailangan natin ng eyeglass. Okay? Okay? My God, si Christal hindi pa mapakali. What you want to do? No, cannot. Even if we move this one. Okay, wait lang.
Please help me. Please.
Even if we move this, you still cannot see. Like that? You're so near. Okay. Okay? Alright, let's go.
Okay, Mom. Mom.
It's okay.
Why is it all red? Can you just cut this part?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, hinintay lang namin yung aming order na pagkain. So, andito lang kami sa sasakyan. Ayoko maghintay doon kasi may mga ibang customers din na naghihintay. So, we're just waiting here sa ating car. So, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo itong kakakuha ko lang na what we call this from our company. It's like token of appreciation. So, kasali ako dun sa kanilang appreciation. So, tingnan natin. Dumaan kasi ako kay sa aking supervisor and let's check it out. What's inside? Actually, alam ko na kung anong laman nito. Nakita ko na kasi sa So, ito siya.
What is that?
I think this is a map that we put on the desk with my computer.
I don't not like
The smell? You don't like the smell? It's
a map.
yung amoy niya is parang rubber. So may bag.
I don't like
I put there.
one. I already put there. Don't like the smell? Okay, di ba sabi ko kanina na pupunta ako ng ano? I mean, pumunta kami dun sa shop na bumili kami ng uniform ni Christal. Let's check it out. Check it out.
Let's try it out.
Check it out.
Try it out.
Trinay ito ni... Ay, sorry baby. Sorry. Trinay ito ni Christal kanina. So, yung size niya, yung bumili ng ano kasi, mas malaki na size sa kanya. So, dalawa muna yung binili ko kasi tingnan ko muna kung worth it bang bumili ng medyo malaki sa kanya ng konti. Kasi pag tatlo yung bibilhin ko, baka matubuan niya o dali ba. Okay, so ito naman, kaka-receive ko lang. This is from our company din, from Teleperformance. Ito yung parang pag-gift nila last December. And then, sa akin ngayon lang dumating. Nagsidatingan na earlier yung sa mga kasamahan ko, nakapag-post na sila sa kanilang story. So, ako naman, ngayon ko pa lang na-receive kasi tinawagan ko yung kahapon yung supplier ng mga supplier ba? O parang supplier na ano nito. Sila na kasi mismo yung nagsisend sa amin. May pinilapan lang kami na form. Tapos, ayun, sila na yung magsisend sa'yo with the address and so on. So, ito siya. Alam ko na din kung anong laman nito kasi nakikita ko na nga sa aking mga kasamahan sa work na nagpo-post na sa Facebook. So. Okay, let's open it. Let's do that. Let's do the unboxing of this from Teleperformance. Let's open what's inside.
What's inside? How do you open the bag?
Okay, you open it. You open. What's inside?
Okay, how do I open it?
Just open. Here. Oh. Wow! What is that? It's a tumbler. Oh, bakit ine-expect ko pa naman na black sana yung tumbler na ma-receive ko kasi yung
I got towel.
kasi may jacket. Hold on. I'm gonna put it here. We're gonna put our camera here. Okay, so we have this towel na green. Sana white na lang.
It's mint.
I want white. Oh yeah, sorry, it's mint. But still green, mint green. And ito, ayoko ng amoy. I don't like the smell. Ito siya, gold.
And this.
What else?
What's that?
I don't like the smell. Ano to? Parang sabon yata to, nak. It's like a facial wash.
Oh.
Okay.
He wants to have fun in these things.
Okay. That one can be the nest of your bird.
It's a flamingo.
Meron pang isa. Ito naman ay jacket. Size M yung kinuha ko kasi pag jacket gusto ko yung medyo malaki. Black yung kinuha ko na size. Let's try. I mean color pala, hindi size. My God, what am I doing?
I don't know you.
Let's try. My jacket.
What
Parang
Oh my God.
okay.
I get it.
Okay lang siya. Medyo malaki nga. Pero ito yung pinili ko na size.
Casita.
TP. From my Teleperformance company. Gusto ko munang mag TikTok. Let's practice. Okay. I know already. So, pauli nami guys. Dugay na luto ang among in-order na food. So while naghulat mi kanina, while waiting kanina, nagti-TikTok muna. So it's now 6:54 sa tamang-tama, mga 7 something kami makarating ng bahay. So yeah, I think let's end our video here. Panaknak. You hold our camera. Thank you so much for watching. Magda-drive lang ako. Thank you so much.
And subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.